For today's video, we are going to be doing this updo. So I posted this on my shorts. I've never done a long video for it, so that's what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for this hair, you really should start with prepped hair. I always tell you guys to start with your hair prepped before you do an updo. I just don't feel like prepping my hair today, so I'm not gonna do it. But I would suggest doing it. The first thing you're gonna do is figure out where you want your part. Do you want it on the side, the middle? It's up to you. I like the side part because I'm a millennial, okay? I'm just gonna go right above my ear. Here's my ear. And I'm just gonna leave out a section of hair. And do this on both sides. And we will use this later. So now let's turn around and do the back. So what you want to do is you want to split your hair into 2 equal sections. Remember, we still have those 2 face framing sections up front. Make sure those are not added in. Okay, so we don't want this on the top of our head, but we also don't want this super low. So about right here, like right at like my crown. Grab a hair tie. I'm just gonna pull my hair through once, twice, however many times I need to. On the last time, just pull my hair tie over a little bit, so it's gonna form this little bun. With the ends that are hanging out from that bun, I'm just gonna clip them away over here. Then I'm gonna pick up the rest of that bottom section. Remember, we still have our pieces up front, leave those hanging out. And then I'm just gonna do another little bun right underneath the bun we just did. And make sure they're spaced pretty close together. So again, just do a little bun.
Thanks.
I love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
My husband's doing Kroger pickup. All right, so this is what we got going on right now. I'm gonna remove my clip and let my ends hang out. So I've got ends hanging out for both of these buns. Okay, now we're gonna get our bobby pins. I use Metagrip. You can use whatever, but this is what I like. I'm gonna take the bottom bun. I'm gonna stick my fingers right through that bun, like this. I'm gonna take that top bun and I'm just gonna pull it through that bottom bun, like that. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and just stick it right through that top bun now. So it should look like this. It doesn't look super cute, but don't worry, we'll fix it. All right, so now we have this top section right here with our ends hanging out. We're just gonna twist it around our finger, and I'm just gonna drape it over the top of that bun and just bobby pin it to the other side. Just like that, super simple. So we still have these ends hanging out right here. So now we're gonna grab our hair up front. And I'm just gonna start with this side. Doesn't matter which side you start with. I'm gonna take out a little piece so I have some bangs hanging out. And I'm just gonna twist this going away from my face. When I say away from my face, this way. And then I'm just gonna pinch and pull it a tiny bit. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna drape it right across this bun. I might pinch and pull it a little bit more, but we're draping it right across. Right in the middle. And we're bobby pinning it over to the other side. And you guessed it, we're gonna do the same thing with the opposite section. So again, twist it away from our face, that way. And then we're just gonna pinch and pull, not too much. So you can take this section, you can drape it over the top, you can drape it over the bottom. I think I'm gonna do the top of it and just bobby pin on the other side. Like that. And then you can kind of pinch if you want to right now, or just wait until later. When you pinch it, make sure you pinch and pull like that. This next step is going to depend on your hair length. Do you have ends hanging out like mine? Are they longer than mine? This next step is going to factor all that in. So if you have ends like mine or they're longer, you're going to do a knot. If they're not long, you can just leave them hanging out, maybe tuck them up underneath and bobby pin. Everyone has different lengths of hair, so this next step, you're just gonna have to play around with. So I'm just going to go ahead and knot them. If you wanted to, you could twist them, drape them across to the other side, twist it, drape it across to the other side. You could just keep doing knots. It's totally up to you. And I'm just gonna insert that bobby pin directly into my little updo here. Like that. So I'm just gonna take my beach waver. I'm just gonna curl these bangs a little bit. This side bothers me because it's a lot shorter than this side. So I just kind of like to tuck it behind my ear. You have mullet hairs hanging out like I do, curl the mullet. I'm just gonna try to curl these little pieces back here. They're kind of tiny. I might need a smaller curling iron for them. I think for those ends, I might just tuck them up under and bobby pin. I think I'm just gonna take this and kind of like push it up under like that. So I have a little bit hanging out, but like not too much. And then just shove a bobby pin under. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. Just shove it under, I don't know. Something like that. And then all you need to do is just kind of pinch and pull everything to your liking. If you want it to be boho, you could kind of pull some hair out here and there, but I'm kind of happy with it. So here is what we are working with. So that is it. This just gives you a nice kind of base and you can tweak it however you want. So I hope you find this helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below and I'll see you guys in my next one.